So this is the second part of the video, trigonometric ratios. We have completely cleared our first topic where I have explained you all the basics regarding trigonometric ratio, how to identify and everything. So those who have not gone through my first video, please go through the first video for your clear off of your basics. Then you enter into the second video. So without wasting the time, let's get into the chapter. They have given a right angle triangle, or we need to draw the right angle triangle. From there we are going to get the answer. But here, okay, so here something else they have told you. They have told in a right angle triangle ABC, they told you what is a right angle triangle, that's ABC at B. So anywhere in the last video where we have discussed the sums, you saw at B, at C, anywhere? No. They gave you the right angle triangle, you need to find the trigonometric functions, whatever by getting the legs, that's height, base and hypotenuse. And one point I told you in the last video, that here we are clearly being said to take hypotenuse as the opposite to 90. Okay, it's a written one. Okay, but about the base and the height, no sir, they are not saying. And how to draw the diagram, they are not saying. So I can do anything by my wish, and I can write any of the names, and I can take any of the base, and I can take any of the height. But here if the something changes, the situation changes. So when you have entered in the second part, where we have cleared all our basic regarding the first part of the trigonometric ratio, now we'll see how it works. Okay, so they're saying in a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, let me prepare a right angle triangle. They're saying that at B means you have to make 90 degree at B. So right angle triangle you will make as it is, they have said, but where you are placing 90 degree, there should be a letter B. They are saying that one. So let me draw the diagram. See, at B means I have to make 90 degree on the point B. So they are clearly saying that you need to make a diagram ABC, your wish. How it can be your wish? I show you 3 diagrams. It can be any of the 3 diagrams in the first video. But 90 degree where you are going to write, it should be 90 degree. B where you are going to write, it should be 90 degree. Okay. So B should be always 90 degree whenever they say at B. If they are not saying, they are saying clearly in a right angle triangle ABC, you can make your wish. It can be B anywhere, A, B, C, 90 degree, any, it can be anywhere. But when they are completely or particularly they are saying that at B, at C, at A, you have to make 90 degree right over there, or your answer is going to wrong. Okay, understood how this works. Okay, the next one. This was question number 1. Okay, so in a small bits I'm explaining you out. Then after that, with a overall question I will explain you. These are very important. So question number 1, you write as it is. You write the important points what I have explained you. Okay, in your words what I have explained, so that in your long course of the work you're doing the maths, it will be helpful to you. All the important points what I am, if I'm not writing also, if I'm speaking also, if you feel those are important for you, you write down the points. Go. So this is the next question. Okay, in a right angle triangle at B, up to here we have understood. Yeah, so you write the second question and the same question. Okay, a small extra part there where tan C is equal to 1. Okay, tan C equal to 1. So till now, sir, we saw tan theta, cos theta, this all this. But now they are saying using an alphabet right over here. Alphabet is there. So alphabet is there. So this alphabet is having any work with this alphabet, or of useless? This one is having very important work. Is having very important work which we are here to discuss in the second part only. Okay, so now, so they give up to here is done. Okay, right at B. Okay, so tan C is equal to 1. Now whenever they say tan C, tan B, tan A, whatever they are saying here tan C, they are saying na. Okay, so we'll consider tan C. Tan C is the point of view from where we are going to view the answer. Means, what do you mean by understand? So we are not understood. Tan C means, so this is the thing they are saying, that use this point and watch all the answers. Tan C says that from here you have to see the diagram. Tan C. Okay, so here you have to see, means your tan C. So C is the important point. They are saying that you have to view from the point C. Sir, what I will do with the view of the point C? You tell me what is your hypotenuse, base and height. Sir, I can tell. Okay, say. Sir, this one opposite to 90 will be, sir, hypotenuse. Okay, so this can be base, this can be height, this can be base, and this can be height, anything. So you are thinking you are right. Yes sir, we are right. This only you have told me in the last class. What I told you, this is a new fresh class where we are going to clear more basics. Okay, so this assumption is wrong. Sir, why this is wrong? Like this only we used to do. But do you remember? Okay, what I told you here, they are not clearly mentioning which one we have to take as a point, reference point, or the point of view. So here they told you C is the point of view, tan C. So you have to view it from here. So one more important thing. So whatever they told you, whatever the viewpoint is there, see, So opposite to that will be always a height. So here they are saying that you have to take it from C. Okay. So opposite to the 90 is hypotenuse. Okay. So now whenever they say CBD, so you have to point of view is this one. So our point of view is, so we'll write here point of view. So we have to see from here. So C. So C is a very important thing. Now opposite to C is this one. So this will be height every time. So what is left? So this one is so what is left? That will be a base. So okay sir, so now you're trying to say that if they have not given in the previous class what you have explained as in the first part of the video, they're not clearly saying about tan C, nothing they told you. They gave the diagram, so according to that we said that 90 to opposite is hypotenuse is fixed. Okay, it doesn't matter and it doesn't changes anywhere. If you're not saying also, it's right there only. Okay, but it changes between the height and the base. You said in the previous class, has nothing being said, so base and height you can do it anywhere. Yes sir, I told you that one. But here they are clearly saying C is there, so point of view is C. So opposite to that will be always an height. So if it is here, so this is height. If it is here, sir, it cannot be at B. Where 90 is there, can it be a point of view from there? No. So 90 is always fixed. Like that, hypotenuse is always fixed. So it will interchange between these two letters. A and C, it can be at A, it can be at C, the point of view. It cannot be at B if 90 is there. If at C 90 is there, so it can be between A and B. So 90 is fixed. So it cannot be the point of view. Clear? So point of view can be from A or C. So they are saying that point of view is C. So I will see it from C. So C means opposite to C is this one. This one. So this is height for me. So the left is this. So base. This is base. Clear? It's a very important thing. Because many students get confused and they do directly. They say this one, base height and 0. Okay. So, but we are here, so clear our basics. In this 15 to 20 minutes, we'll clear all your basics. We'll brush up all your basics. Then we'll enter into the chapter. So, when you are opening the book, there will be nothing like that. So, it's new for you. So, that's why I'm here. Okay. So, this is the second question. So, whatever thing I'm saying, if you feel important, some other times you can write it down in your page. You can, okay. So, let's go for the next. This is question number 3. Okay. So, I'm just trying to make you clear how the question can be, how they will change the question, how you will get confused with the question. Okay. So, in the right angle triangle at B, okay, we draw the diagram. I'm not changing this one. Okay. Where tan A is equal to 1. Point of view I have to find out. I have to find out point of view. So, this word point of view is to explain you out that how to look. In the book, you will not find out this one. Okay. It's my topic. It's my concept. Okay. So, as they are saying, as I told you, so B is there, hypotenuse is okay. So, opposite to B is hypotenuse, okay. Now, the point of view will be, what is the point of view? Sir, here there, sir, A is saying. So, I will take A as a letter as a point of view. So, where is A? Sir, A is that side. So, A is here. Okay, so A is here. So I will see right over here. So, this is my opposite to the point of view will be, sir, height. So, this left is base. Clear? Ha, sir, clear. So, you understand what I am trying to say? So, that's why I gave you this one. The point of view is A. So, opposite to A is, so opposite to 90 is always hypotenuse. So, you are left with these two things. So, how to decide base and height? They told you A. So, point of view is A. So, opposite to A is this one. So, this is the height and left over is this one. So, base. Clear? Understood? So, these all things first you have to understand before going into the chapter. Many students don't know how to view and they do the chapter. Sir, easy, very easy. But when they come across, the question will change, small, just like this they will give you. They will see it from here. They will see, they will not see this is a point of view. They will not see it from here, the way you are doing. Okay. They will do it from here. They will say height is this one, base is 0, and completely will get a big 0. A big 0. And why is the answer? They will get confused. So then they will say that, okay, this is the view, like this we have to do. Okay, understood. That's why clear up your basics. If you're clear with your basics, you will do everything. Okay, next one. Question number 4. In a right angle triangle ABC at B, okay, where tan A is equal to 1. Okay, we have to see it from here. Point of view is this one. You have to prove. Okay, we have to prove this one, sir. Prove. How to do proof, sir? Okay, I will tell you. Okay. So we understood A means this is a point of view, so this height is a base. Okay. And we know tan A is equal to 1 they gave you. Tan A equal to 1. So from there we know how to do. Okay, sir, in the first video we have explained this one. Tan A equal to 1 means, so tan formula is, what is it? Perpendicular by base, na? Okay, equal to 1. So 1 by 1 I told you, if now nothing is there in the denominator, you will take it 1. So here perpendicular is how much? 1. Ratio is there, na? In the ratio form. So you will take let, na? So let 1x and our base is how much? again it's a 1x. Every time you will take in the ratio form, okay. So x form, so whenever they give you ratio form, so 1x you have. So perpendicular means this one 1x, perpendicular this one, sorry, and base is this one 1x. Okay, so I have to find out, as we have these two, we need to find out that one. First we'll use the Pythagoras theorem and we'll get your answer this one. After that we'll continue the sum. Okay, so this is the formula, okay, Pythagoras theorem, and we got, after this place is not this as well, AC is equal to root 2x. So we got as root 2x. Okay, so we having everything. Now what I have to do, so they're saying 2 sin a cos a. Okay, for that they're saying that left hand side, you see, equal to is there, equal to, this is left hand side, this is right hand side, left and right. So in the left they have given you some trigonometric functions and a value, and they're saying that when you are going to solve this one, you are going to get 1. You have to show me that one, how you are going to get. Simple. Sin a will take out, cos I will take out, I will solve, will I am getting 1 or not. If I am getting 1, it's proof, otherwise not proof. Okay, so sin a, so 2, we know the function. Okay, sin a is equal to, what is the formula, we know that one. What is the formula sin a? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, so perpendicular by hypotenuse, or we can say height by hypotenuse also. So how much? So 1x by root 2x. So x cancel, so 1 by root 2. Okay, same thing, I'll take it from cos a. So cos a is equal to again base by hypotenuse. Okay, so base, okay, so again 1x by root 2x, x is cancelled, so 1 by root 2. Okay, so I got sine value and cos a value. See, again they're saying from the a. One more thing you need to understand, this sine a, so you have to see it from here only. Cos a, you need to see from here only. If they say sine a cos b, then the point of view changes. You are saying a only. Point of view, wait, I will write, you write every time. The point of view is for your convenience. Point of view is how much? A. So every trigonometric function is having a or not, you see. Sin a, okay, same thing. Cos a, okay, no need to worry. What you are doing is right. Every time. It will make a very important key role. Okay, this is point a. Okay, so done. Now after that, they're saying that, so 2 sin a, 2 we know it's a value. Sin a value we know. Cos a value we got the value. Now we'll see, and we'll see whether you're getting or not answer. We'll see. So now wait, let me make some place for this one. So simply 2 sin a cos a equal to 1, this one you need to prove. 2 as it is, sin a value is 1 by root 2, cos value 1 by root 2 equal to 1. So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 how much? So root 2 it will be 2. So 2 as it is, and root 2 it will be 1 by 2. So 2 cancels, so 1 equal to 1. So we have proved. We have said that whatever they gave in the left hand side, when you are going to solve this one, you are going to get 1 which is equal to the right hand side. That is what they are saying. Simple. It's not so complicated, but the thing is that you have to need point of view is a. So every trigonometric function is having, this is very important. Why I am focusing on this one is very important, because it will make you confused, you make your answer wrong. So whenever they say this question, this type of question, you write point of view is a, and you will see all the trigonometric functions having a or not. If they are having a, go slowly, okay, without any problem. Okay, but if they are saying point a and here they b and c they told you, or b or b they told you, it's not matching with the point of view, then you have to see from somewhere else. If they say C also, D also, okay, see if it is matching or not. But in the exam, in the point of view, you are not going to write. In the books also is not there. For your convenience, I have given these letters, give words for your convenience. Okay, okay. So let's go. Question: right angle triangle at B, where tan A is equal to 1. Okay, sir. A. So according to this, we understood our point of view is A. Okay, first we will write this one. Okay, solution. Solution is there. So point of view is A. So all the trigonometric functions should start with A according to this. Okay, A they told you. Okay, according to this, so I will write tan A is equal to 1 by 1. Na? So perpendicular by base is equal to 1 by 1. So here, so x I will take. Na? So according to A, A they told you. Height? Yes, sir. The base? Yes, sir. So 1x and 1x, 1x, 1x. So we will get root 2x. We already solved this. You can do it again. Okay. We already solved. Use Pythagoras theorem, you will get root 2x only. Okay. Okay. So what we do? Find sin A cos C. We will do. What is the problem in this? So we have to find a sin A. We have to find out cos C. So we will do sin A. So sin A is equal to, what is the formula? So perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is how much? So perpendicular is 1x and hypotenuse is root 2x. So answer is 1 by root 2. Okay. And cos C is equal to sir, perpendicular base by hypotenuse. So base is how much? So 1x. Then how much? Root 2x. So 1 by root 2. Done? Or anything we have left with? Sir, no sir, we didn't. No. Your answer is wrong. Your answer is wrong. Somewhere your answer is wrong. You check where your answer is wrong. This one. So why, sir? Cos C base by, cos means base by hypotenuse. Base value है ना hypotenuse. So right only, sir. What is the problem? Oh, we have to multiply that one, na? That one is wrong. No, no. This method is only wrong. This method is wrong. So what I told you, remember. So point of view is A. So all the trigonometric functions should be having a as a function. A is there, but here C is there. So sir, what we have to do? So C is there. So what we'll do? Point of view is not getting matched with this one. Here they are saying, okay, you can see from A only. So which we have already told you. But here they are saying you have to see from point C rather than A. So this is wrong. So then what to do? Then your point of view according to this one will be C. So in the same question, two different point of views will be there. Can be, it cannot be. If the question is asking, means it is there. So according to sin A, the point of view is okay. But cos C, the point of view changes C. C is the point of view. But here we have written point of view A. So sir, this is wrong. No. For this point of view, this answer is right. But for this point of view, this answer is wrong. So what you have to do? So you have to draw the diagram with respect to this one, where the point of view changes to C. So the different diagram will be like this only. Diagram will be like this only. I have made again. So because the point of view changing, when the point of view changing, everything is going to change. So here the point of view according to this one is A is there. So this is right. A we have so. But when you will see this one, the point of view is C. So hypotenuse is this one only, opposite to 90, every time fixed. But now you have to see from C, they are saying the point of view C according to this cos C. So your height will be, so this is your height and this is your base. So what is the difference? See, the height was this one. Why? Because the point of view was A. The point of view was A, and according to that, with opposite will be height. So the point of view is C. So height is this one. So it got changed. Okay, so this is the diagram you will use for this case. So again we have to find everything, Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse, height, everything. As the diagram got changed and they have given tan A is equal to 1. So this was with respect to the point of view of A. But here they are saying that point of view is C. So this will work. No sir, this is not going to work. Because this diagram point of view is C. This point of view was A. With respect to this, we draw the diagram. So with respect to point of C, we need to have one value. Then only we can use substitute and we get the remaining value. So they have not given you. So this question is incomplete. This question is incomplete. So don't do the question. So if they give you options, so you'll write none of the answer is the none. None of the answer. Okay, option will be there na, in MCQ. So none of the answer is right. Because with respect to this point of, they're saying the point of C is C. So but point of C is C. The diagram I have made with respect to point of C, but the value they have not given us, from where we will take out remaining other values. But as they are saying here, point of view is A, with respect to with the other diagram, we have the values. So this value is missing for this diagram. So if it is missing, how I will get the values from here? I'm not having anything. I draw the diagram, I got the values, everything, but I'm not having any value from this one. So how I will get the remaining values? So we will not able to get the value. So how I will get the sin C? So nothing you won't get. So this is incomplete. So if options are there, you'll tick the none of the above, and this question is incomplete. So sir, can we do this type of question answer? Yes, we'll do with this one. Okay, I will discuss more sums over this one, and I will come with the next part where we'll do sums over this one also and some other topic also. So we have completed the second part nicely, clearly. So go through my completely video, and as usual, if you like the video, hit like, share and comment. Thanks.